Hello guys, how are you today? Fine. Today we will start explaining a new lesson, particular calculation. Particular calculation, how do we multiply two numbers together? We will do activity 1, page 21. Okay. Activity 1, let's calculate first 35 times 2. I will arrange them here. 35 times 2. 2 times 5, 10, so 0 down and 1 up. 2 times 3, 6, and 1, it's 7, so the answer is 70. Now, deduce from the first part 3,500 times 2. Look at the first one and at the second one. What is the difference between both? Here it's 35 times 2, and here 35 times 2. The difference is just the zeros. And here also 35 times 2, just we have zeros where at the end. So in part B, I will deduce from part A. I will copy the same answer, just we will add what? Zeros at the end of a number. Okay? So you can't arrange them here because they said deduce from the first part. So I will copy 70 in all. Then I will just count the zeros and I will place them at the end. 70, 70. Okay. How many zeros do we have here? 2 zeros at the end. Place them. How many zeros on both sides? 3, 4. So we will place 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's better to place what comes. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. And here, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 zeros, place them at the end. So just count the zeros and place them at the end. Let's start now with exercise 1 part A. Exercise 1 part A. Calculate the following mentally to find the product. Okay? It's not mentally, we can arrange. Cross out the word mentally. 750 times 4. First step, in order to multiply them, when you see the 0, first skip this 0. Just arrange 75 times 4 and place the 0 where at the end. 75 times 4. 4 times 5, 20, so 0 down and 2 up. 4 times 7, 28, plus 2, it's 30. So the answer is 300. Then don't forget, how many zeros do we have here at the end? We have 1 0, we'll place it where? At the end. So the answer will be 3,000. The second one, so I will do just part A. We will do parts B later. 250 times 8, skip the 0. 25 times 8. 8 times 5, 40, so 0 down and 4 up. 8 times 2, 16, and 4, it's 20. So the answer is 200. 200, and we have how many zeros at the end? 1 0, place it here. So the answer will be 2000. 500 times 20, we can do it mentally. Skip the 0. 5 times 2, how much? It's 10. How many zeros do we have in both? 1, 2, 3. So place 3 zeros. Don't forget to place what? The zeros and count them well. Now skip the zeros. 15 times 6. Let's multiply. 15 times 6. 6 times 5, 30. So 0 down and 3 up. 6 times 1, 6, and 3, it's 9. So the answer will be 90. 90. And how many zeros do we have? We have 2 zeros. Place them here at the end. So the answer will be 9,000. 1,250 times 4. Let's skip the 0. 125 times 4. 4 times 5, 20. 0 down and 2 up. 4 times 2, 8, and 2, it's 10. 0 down and 1 up. 4 times 1, 4, and 1, it's 5. So 500. How many zeros do we have at the end? We have 1 0. So it will be 5,000. 20 times 750. Okay, skip the 0. 75 times 2. 75 times 2. 2 times 5, it's 10. 0 down and 1 up. 2 times 7, 14, and 1, it's 15. So 150. How many zeros do we have in both sides? 1, 2. So 2 zeros. Okay. Here we can do it mentally. 4 times 5, it's 20. How many zeros in both sides? 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay. Now skip the zeros. 25 times 8. We did it here before. 25 times 8. It's how much? 200. So we will write 200. With how many zeros do we have? 2 zeros. So the answer will be 20,000. Okay. Skip the zeros. Now 15 times 8. How much? Let's arrange it here. 15 times 8. 8 times 5, it's 40. 0 down, 4 up. 8 times 1, 8. And 4, 12. So 120. Then don't forget, how many zeros do we have? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here, 125 times 6. 125 times 6. 6 times 5, 30. 0, 3 up. 6 times 2, 12. Plus the 3, 15. 5 down and 1 up. 6 times 1, 6. And 1, it's 7. So 750. How many zeros? 1, 2 in both sides. 1, 2. So it will be 75,000. It's better to place the commas here, teacher, so I can read them easily. Okay? So you will do part B as a homework on Tuesday. I will write for you on the agenda. Check it, please. You will do part B for tomorrow. And please place commas, okay, in order to read them easily. Thank you, guys. See you. Bye-bye.